Hey, what is up beautiful people, it's me Aenish and I'm back with a different video this time. In this video I'll be talking about an app which helped me to stay active during these quarantine situations. I'm talking none other app but Notion, which is simply an organizing app which will simply help you to structure your daily tasks or upcoming schedule in a lot easier manner. I won't talk about detail for this app because I have also been using and learning this app at the same time for a week now and I'm being just started with this. But also, don't worry, I will provide you some of the tips that I've learned up to this time for you to stay productive during these quarantine days. So starting number 1, use Slash for creating a block. A block is any single piece of content you add to your page like a to-do item. Blocks are the function of this software in which you can create your own desired system for structuring your tasks. Number 2, use templates if you don't want any hassles. These templates are available in their sites and simply just duplicate into your Notion app if you strictly want to go on scheduling and structuring your tasks. Finally, number 3, use this app more often than you watch the tutorial videos on this. Make a hit and trial, do whatever you wish and you will be more familiar with this app than ever before. Because it is just not an app, it is a lifesaver for me because it has been helping me a lot in planning out these videos and my work to get on track and trying to engage my mind into something differently, totally new and which I haven't been doing previously. So if you guys are interested in checking out this awesome app, then I will have them link down below in the description box to download it for free. And that's basically, these are the 3 tips that I can currently give you out to you guys at this moment, and that's it for this video. And if you guys enjoy this type of content, then make sure to give it a thumbs up, do comment and subscribe it for more upcoming videos, and I will catch you guys in next one. Peace.